Hey guys, Tina here with Tina's Inspired Art. Welcome to my channel again today. Really appreciate you all being here. We're going to have a lot of fun, so stay tuned for a real exciting Botanical Dutch Pour. Thanks again for joining me today. We are going to be working on a, let's see, this is a 24 by 24 inch, so nice and square. Actually haven't worked on this size canvas before. This will be my first one. Finally got my shipment in, and so I am going to do a nice big kind of like a flower on this nice square canvas. So I'll go ahead and flood my canvas with my house interior paint. I'll come back and we're going to talk through my color palette choices for today. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right, guys, I think we're about ready to go. I flooded the canvas and covered my sides. Now I believe it's about time to talk about the color choices for today's pour. So we're going to start out with a Liquitex black, a chameleon blue, a Prussian blue by Liquitex. That's the Liquitex Prussian blue. The Pebeo Studios blue iridescent. This is another Prussian blue by Pouring Masters. A Liquitex silver. A Pebeo green blue iridescent. And then topping it off with gold. That's 2, 4, 6, 8 colors. With the design that I have in mind. I did in fact use one full, this is 4 cups. This is 4 cups of the base white that I laid down on this size canvas. So it's a lot of white paint. I think we're about ready to get started with my design. I'm gonna do a nice flower design on here. Be my botanical flower design. Here we go. So I'm gonna have a focal point right in the middle. Put that down right there. I'm gonna bring my lines right from that focal point. About the same distance on the edges for these petals to hang out. I want it pretty symmetrical in the composition to look really sweet on this big canvas. Now I'll go in with one like that. Like that. Not all the way to the edge. So that's with the black. Now I'm going to go in with this chameleon blue. Now with this Prussian blue. Iridescent. This one's the blue. Boy, this is lots of blue. It's a bigger canvas, so I want to make sure that I did put on enough of the paint. A little bit of this gold, not too much, but love adding the gold. And I got to thinking, I'm gonna add just a touch of this magenta, just here and there. Not a lot, just a little here and there. All right, that adds a little bit more for me. Alrighty, that's looks really cool so far, and I really think it'll all come together. I'm going to put a nice focal point right in here. So, oh my goodness, the colors are fantastic. So stay tuned. You'll be able to see the final results at the end of the video. This is what we look like so far, guys. I don't know if you can see all the shimmer that's going to happen in here. All right, it is definitely time to have a little more fun. Hope this turns out really pretty. That touch of gold is popping through just right. I haven't done this design yet, so this is new design, really. Done a flower before, just not the way I outlined it today. We'll see how it looks at the end. So I've got all those outer petals looking good. Really changes the look once you start doing this. It's like, oh yeah, now it's coming together. Sometimes I look at it and I'm like, no, I don't like it. But then it starts really taking shape. Hey guys, we're back and I just finished this one. I think she looks really pretty. The colors are really looking good together. Nice little focal point. What do you guys think about this one? Yeah, I think she looks really pretty. I might add something more to her after she dries. But right now, I think she looks really pretty. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing. Check me out on my Facebook and Instagram at Tina's Inspired Art. And my website is www.tinasinspiredart.com.